Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You open the highest quality file you have, then duplicate the background layer so you always keep an unedited original. Next, decide output intent, web at 72 dpi or print at 300 dpi, because that guides color space and sharpening. Check the histogram and info panels to spot blown highlights or clipped shadows. This tells you whether to reduce exposure or recover detail. Once done, make quick camera, raw, or exposure adjustments to establish a neutral base before moving into targeted edits. You now build the image with local, non-destructive edits. Add adjustment layers like levels and curves and paint masks to limit effects, because that preserves flexibility. For blemishes and distractions, use spot healing and clone stamp. For skin texture, consider frequency separation to treat tone and texture separately. Once tonal fixes are done, groom light with dodge and burn on a 50% gray layer set to overlay. This refines shape without altering colors. Make sure to zoom at 100% often. You finish by balancing color and clarity. Use color lookup tables or targeted HSL adjustments to establish mood, because global tweaks can flatten skin tones. Then apply sharpening appropriate to the final size, high pass for subtlety or smart sharpen for control, and mask the effect so backgrounds don't get unnaturally crisp. Finally, export with the right settings. Embed as RGB for web, or convert to an output profile for print. If colors look off, check your monitor calibration and confirm layer, blend modes, and 8/16-bit mismatch as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.